Okay, it is Wednesday, October 6th. I'm Tom Novak. This is your Bring Me the News and Novak Weather Update brought to you by All Energy Solar, harnessing the power of the sun, which we have some of it today, to create affordable energy. Thank you, All Energy Solar, for sponsoring this update. And speaking of sun, I'm a little surprised today with how much sun broke out over portions of southern and eastern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. You can see here on the visible satellite loop, we did have clouds and moisture advecting north and west into southern and eastern Minnesota, but some dry air has also entrained into the lower layers of our atmosphere, and that has brought some sunshine to southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin, and our temperatures have certainly responded. Now, the moisture channel loop, we call this the water vapor imagery from outer space, shows just a beautiful looking upper level storm over the heart of the country. It's located right over Missouri right now, and it's drifting ever so slowly to the north and to the northwest. We call this a retrograding system. Yeah, it's beautiful to look at from outer space. The good news is that this storm system is starting to lose its punch. It's large, but it's going to eventually get kicked out and lose some of its energy here over the next 24 to 48 hours. But we're going to be left with the moisture, and you can see the moisture right here. Here it is, the moisture pinwheeling in with this storm system. Actually, this is moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean that is pinwheeling back to the west and northwest into southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin right now. Now, as we go through time, look how the moisture over the next 24 hours continues to advect to the north and west into southern Minnesota and Wisconsin and into much of the upper Midwest. So, yeah, we're going to be left with definitely some clouds. I'm still hoping for some sunshine tomorrow, but I think more clouds, and definitely it's going to feel a little more humid out there tomorrow. And then eventually, as we get into Friday now and Saturday, here's that picture there for Saturday, the moisture continues to be situated over the upper Midwest. And that means we're going to eventually get an opportunity for showers and some storms. And I think especially as we head into Saturday night. Here's that upper level, that beautiful looking upper level storm system from the jet stream level. This is the river of air at 30 to 35,000 feet. Now watch what happens. The storm system starts to fill, and then it gets kicked to the northeast as we get into Friday and Saturday of this weekend, and then we have our eyes on this trough here. This is a pretty large trough, an active weather pattern that develops later this week and weekend. And look at how that active weather pattern surges to the northeast here over the weekend. And that's why I'm thinking showers and storms are going to be a good bet, especially on the nose or the left front quadrant of this jet streak here that's going to be streaming out of Colorado and northeast into southern Minnesota. It's usually on the tip or on the nose of that jet streak is where you get the most intense precipitation. So it's likely that northern Minnesota and eastern North Dakota will get in on the heavier rains this weekend rather than southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. But good news for those of you that are looking for moisture and showers and storms, we get another system that comes through, a buckling in the jet streak and jet stream that comes through on Monday night, and then even a larger system kicks northeast during the middle portions of next week. So an active weather pattern that means precipitation for some in a scattered fashion. Here are the high temperatures today. We rose into the low to mid 70s over much of Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Now going through time tonight, temperatures are not going to drop off very much, right around 60 degrees for many of us. And then highs tomorrow, with a little bit more cloud cover, I think we're going to be in the upper 60s and lower 70s. And then we should warm up as we get in even a bit more as we get into Friday and then Saturday of this weekend. Here is that extended forecast. Yeah, just a few sprinkles, maybe even a light shower later in the day tomorrow, but no big deal. Most of the day is going to be dry. And here it is. I'm really holding out hope for some sunshine and really warm temperatures for this time of the year for Friday and especially Saturday. But all in all, a unseasonably mild, warm weather pattern, especially during our overnights. Lows should be in the lower 40s this time of the year, and we're going to be nowhere close to that over the next 7 days. All right, that's your forecast, everyone. Have a great evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.